Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate destination for detailed reviews and updates on the latest cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto. Explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance and price all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto comes with a refreshed design, blending modern aesthetics with the compactness that makes it perfect for urban driving. It features a sleek front grille, stylish halogen headlights, and a redesigned bumper for a more premium look. The new dual-tone exterior color options and 13-inch alloy wheels give it a contemporary appeal, making it a standout in its category. Inside the Alto, the cabin is designed for comfort and practicality. The dual-tone dashboard gives it a premium feel, and the ergonomic seating ensures a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. The new 7-inch Smart Play Studio infotainment system comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless connectivity for navigation, music, and calls. The Alto also includes features like keyless entry, power windows, and steering-mounted controls, adding convenience to its compact design. Despite its size, the 2025 Alto doesn't compromise on safety. Maruti has equipped the car with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, a seatbelt reminder system, and a high-speed alert system, ensuring compliance with the latest safety standards. Additionally, the stronger Hatchback platform enhances structural rigidity for better crash protection. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto is powered by a reliable 1.0-liter K-series petrol engine, which delivers 67 PS of power and excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily commutes and long drives alike. The Alto is also available with a factory-fitted CNG option for eco-conscious buyers, ensuring lower running costs and reduced emissions. Both options come with a smooth 5-speed manual gearbox, and the petrol variant now offers an AMT, automatic manual transmission, for added convenience in city traffic. In terms of comfort, Maruti has focused on maximizing space within the compact dimensions. The Alto offers ample headroom and legroom for its segment, along with a decent boot space for your daily needs. Features like manual air conditioning, adjustable driver seats, and cup holders further enhance its practicality. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto is designed to be a value-for-money car, with pricing that starts at a superscript 13.99 lakhs for the base variant and goes up to a superscript 15.84 lakhs for the top-end model. The CNG variant offers additional savings on running costs, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto, a car that perfectly combines affordability, efficiency, and modern features. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exciting updates and reviews of the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.